Yeah, Chunky Monkey Girl.
You know how to use Chunky Monkey?
Are you my little chunky bug? You getting grouchy? Hmm? Yeah? Are you hiding stuff in them little cheeks of yours? Don't fall over. Yeah. You're just so sweet. I'm not supposed to fall over. You gonna smile for everybody? You gonna smile for everybody? You gonna show them how much of a happy baby? Oh. You gonna show them how much a happy baby you are? Uh-uh. You're gonna smile. You're gonna smile. Lexi Bug. What are you doing? Oh. What are you doing, kiddo? Lexi Bug. You gonna smile for Mama? You gonna smile for Mama? No? Look at that phony hairdo. You got your hair sticking up everywhere. Yes, you do. Your hair is sticking up everywhere. What are you doing? Yeah? Ooh. Okay. Okay, we'll tell everybody bye-bye. Tell them bye-bye.